So I sat down today to basically solve a problem for my own channel, and that is to stop being so business orientated with all of my delivery. Although that's the ethos that I want to do, I want to create some different styles of videos to make things a little bit more engaging, show you behind the scenes a little bit at times, that kind of thing. So I've sat down and I have brainstormed 7 different styles of video that I can implement within my own channel, some of them more so than others, and I'm going to share all 7 ideas and inspirations with you today. To another episode of McCall Media TV, whereby in this episode today, myself, Angela McCall, will be basically brainstorming 8 different types of video style that you can produce in your YouTube channel in order to keep sort of a little bit of a variety and a spice of life for what your content is all about. So I am armed with my notes and my coffee, and let's get on with it. Order other than the order that they came to mind. So we're going to start with idea number 1. This is really what my entire channel is about, is how-to videos, tutorials, basically do it yourself, explaining my knowledge and skill and expertise so that you guys can basically go and do some of the tasks that you need to do in your digital marketing. So that's really the entire ethos of my entire channel, and so a large proportion of my content is going to be in this do-it-yourself tutorials type, sort of teaching type style video content. So at point number 2, I have on my little list interviews and collaborations. Now this is something that I've always really wanted to do, and I think this is really handy for you if you can do something along these lines, because at the end of the day, if you're engaging with other YouTubers and other business professionals, they're going to have their own network, they're going to have their own circle of businesses and fans and followers, and so it helps you sort of leap out of your environment into their world, and obviously hopefully piggyback up and get some of their fans and followers over to your own channel, and likewise they obviously get that same reciprocated benefit from working with yourself, or myself in that case. So kind of interviews and things that I've got lined up at the moment. I've got a couple of ladies who are busy as we speak right now, because we're in the middle of March, working really hard to publish their books. One of them is in the fitness industry, the other one is a romance novelist, and both of their books are going live within a week of each other over the end of this month and the first week of April. In the coming weeks, I'm going to have an interview with those guys. We're going to do a part A, which is like their plan of attack getting up to the start line when they basically are publishing their book. And then in about 6 months, we're going to do another interview, which will be about sort of part B, as it were, and what the journey has been with regards to promoting efforts, monetizing their efforts and that kind of thing. I'm also in talks at the moment with a small business that's launched a radio station in a different part of the UK, and I'm also in talks with a couple of YouTubers who are actually sort of nailing it in their particular niches and industries already on YouTube. So I've kind of got like a pro sort of beginners type interview structure, kind of work in progress coming up real soon as well. So there's a couple of collaborations and interview type style techniques that you can do on your own. Point number 3 we have down here is reviews. Now for me, this can come down into a whole variety of different things. First of all, I've got tech reviews, I've got product reviews, books on my industry reviews, I have got service reviews, and also software reviews. So there's lots of different types of reviews that I can do as a business, helping my solopreneur audience with regards to every type of digital marketing or digital technology type environment they're going to have to be struggling with within their business. So it could be that I cross compare some reviews on membership portals, or I cross compare different video editing software. So there's loads and loads and loads of different types of reviews, and of course my life lives with different software. I have software subscriptions to pretty much all the different types of tools and service providers that you're going to need as a small business owner. So, and the chances are, through my freelance work and days gone past, I've probably used all of those different service providers as well, so I'm really knowledgeable in that area. And so one of the things that I'm going to be doing is product reviews, and as you can see, this is only a few of my books. I'm going to be doing a lot of the book reviews and the big hints and tips and takeaways I've had there as well. So that's also a really good strategy for you guys if you're looking for some sort of new material on your channel. Okay, so on my little list here, we have analytics and performance. Now, I'm a big numbers girl, facts, figures. If I can, I mean, it's part of my life with regards to being a sort of a digital tech head, I suppose, because I can prove and see exactly what's going on. So I love facts and figures. I want to know who's been on my website, how long they've been on my website. I want to know how long they've been watching my videos for, where they come into my videos. Do they start at the beginning? Do they start watching halfway through? Do they skip? I want to know what buttons they click on my website. I want to know what engagement my email marketing newsletters are generating for me. I basically analyse, track, monitor and live with statistics. It probably makes me extremely sad, proud of that fact, I don't know, but that's the way that I like to operate. And of course that means I have information, and information is power and knowledge, and that means I can see loopholes, opportunities to improve and things that I can basically cover. So for me, analytics, facts, figures is like a big major topic that will be part of my channel, and it could be for yours as well. Okay, so point number 5. Right, so on my little hit list of things here, I have things like questions and answers, comments and feedback. So obviously these are like kind of engagement tools. So when people are asking you questions, if your audience are going, oh, by the way, Ange, how do you do X, Y, Z? Then this is like major, like, oh, you know, golden nugget material for your YouTube channel, for want of a better term, because this gives you something realistic to reply to. You can obviously use that question and it kind of endorses you, the fact that you've got this kind of engagement, and obviously it gives you material to talk about, and as well as the comments, because sometimes it's really nice that you know you're doing all this work, you're producing all your videos, you're doing all your blog articles, and you're out there hustling, and now and again those nice little comments like, oh, keep going, Angel, or I love this video, it really helped me with XYZ, or those kind of little bits of feedback really do sort of help show the world that other people appreciate your efforts, but it also sort of empowers you from inside as well. And so those kind of little snippets kind of build a bigger picture about who you are, and obviously gives you lots of different materials. So question and answers, comments, feedback, those kind of engagement strategies are fabulous material for your YouTube channel as well. Okay, so point number 6. This is basically challenges. Challenges, if I'm really honest with you, isn't something that I think I will be doing that many of on my particular channel, because I'm a business to business sort of consultancy style channel, which means the material and information that I want to give people is basically to help empower themselves. I'm not really an entertainment channel in the sense of I'm out to make you have giggles and laugh and provide sort of binge watching type TV. And I know like my girls are forever watching YouTubers. Most of them seem to be American, doing this challenge or that family challenge and running around like headless chickens, and they sit for hours and they love that kind of thing. And that works really well if you're on that kind of channel and that's the kind of audience that you want to generate. For myself, I can't really see it happening. There's a couple of challenges that I thought I might do, such as how to build a website in an hour, even that kind of challenge, to see if it's possible, and I thought that might be quite interesting material. But really, as a general sort of challenge type topic, for me to be able to do that on my channel, it doesn't work. But hopefully you guys will find that food for thought on your own channel. At number 7, this is more kind of like a vlogging kind of strategy. So I've got written down on my notes here Vlogmas, which is something that I see a load of YouTubers do, which is basically during the month of December they attempt literally to upload a different sort of a day in the lifestyle video every day of the month, all the way leading obviously up to Christmas, which is why the name is called Vlogmas. But obviously there's also the kind of the day in the life, what's in my camera bag, those kind of sort of behind the scenes type style videos, and I think they are quite powerful. I think they are going to be useful to me on my channel as well, because I think at the end of the day I think people are nosy, and instead of just being business all the time, I think it helps people to sort of see who I am and what my life is like, and just sort of, you know, get a feel for me and what life is like with my girls and how patient they have to be, because obviously mum's working from home, which means mum moans if they are too loud in the background while mum is recording a video, and those kind of things. And these are some of the real, like, sort of life challenges and problems that I have to overcome as a small YouTuber, and a lot of my audience will also have to do so, which makes it relatable to them. So I won't be doing too many because I don't want to be a vlogging channel. I don't want to be like a kind of a magazine or a binge-worthy style TV. I want to deliver business strategies and actually help empower solopreneurs to their success. So this will be sort of one of those type categories that I'll do every so often, and just, you know, keep you on your toes and keep that kind of nosy factor sort of fueled and entertained in that sense. So that's another one for you guys as well. Those are the kind of the 7 different styles of video content that I believe that I can deliver in my style of business orientated channel and services. I hope it gives you some food for thought. If you start for some content, what I'd probably say you do is literally mind map those 7 points, and then off of those 7 points try and come up with maybe 5 different video subjects or topics that you could actually do in that style of video. So I hope you found that really useful. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, stay notified. Do give me your comments and your feedback, because obviously that really helps me know how I'm doing and performing, and if I'm delivering content that you guys really enjoy. And I'll see you on my next video, and all the best with your own journeys in the meantime. Take care, bye bye. Spice and some pizzazz to your channel, and basically I can't remember what I'm going to say. Generate that sort of wow factor.